Hi guys, it's Katie with the Veggie option, and today we're going to be making vegan Bloody Mary mac and cheese. For today's recipe, we're going to need some Yukon Gold potatoes, carrots, onion, lemon and garlic, nutritional yeast, and cashews, and that is going to be the base for our sauce, and then you'll also need any type of pasta. So first step in making the vegan cheese sauce is soaking about a cup of cashews in some boiling water. The longer you soak the cashews, the easier they're gonna blend later on and the creamier your sauce will be. So get those in some boiling water and set that aside. Then you're gonna wanna put a pot of water on the stove to boil, about half full, but enough for the veggies that you're gonna put in. And then we're gonna wanna chop up our veggies to about equal size pieces, so that they cook evenly. The bigger the pieces are, the longer it's gonna take to cook. So chop those up. So now we have all our veggies chopped. We're gonna toss them in the boiling water to cook until they're fork tender. So we've been cooking our veggies for about 10 minutes now, and to check if they are ready, you'll just want to poke it with a fork, and once it goes through nice and smooth, you know you're done. So I pulled the veggies out of the boiling water with a slotted spoon, and now we're just going to add those cooked and steamy veggies to a high-speed blender. So now we're also going to add the soaked cashews in here, along with about a quarter cup of nutritional yeast. This is what's gonna give it that cheesy flavor. We're also gonna juice half of a lemon into this sauce. Then you're gonna add your choice of how many garlic cloves. I like it really garlicky, so some fresh garlic in there. And then also a nice pinch of salt. You're gonna wanna taste and adjust to how salty you like your cheese sauce, but some salt there. And then also I reserved some of the cooking water from the vegetables just to help it blend a little easier. So you'll wanna add a little bit to start, and then you can add more as you go along. So we blended our sauce for about 2 to 3 minutes, and you really want to spend a good time blending so you get a nice creamy, cheesy consistency. And the nice thing about this sauce is it's super versatile. You can dip chips in there, some veggies in there. You can pour it over nachos and use it as a cheese sauce that way. But today we're gonna put it on some macaroni and do a little baked macaroni casserole. So I like to put a good amount of cheese on there, especially if you're baking it, so that it stays nice and creamy. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it up. Use my spatula. So once you have your cheese sauce all over your noodles, there's a lot of different ways you could top this. You could add bacon bits, you could add crispy fried onions, but I really love doing a breadcrumb topping with Adam McKenzie's spicy Bloody Mary seasoning. For some reason, we've just found that this is incredible on mac and cheese, and it's kind of an unexpected combination, but it really works. So we're just gonna add a couple tablespoons to our breadcrumbs. So now we're just gonna throw this under the broiler in the oven for a few minutes until you get a nice crisp layer on top. So we got this nice and crispy in the oven, and we're just gonna plate it up here and enjoy. All right, so we plated up our mac and cheese and it's all ready to go. One thing I love about this recipe is it's made with whole foods, so it's super healthy, but when you taste it, it will still feel really indulgent with that cashew cream. It is so delicious, and the spicy Bloody Mary really takes it to a whole new level. Now the nice thing I like about making a big batch of this cheese sauce is that I can use the leftovers for queso. So I like to add a little bit of chili margarita blend to the cheese sauce and enjoy it with some chips. Even a little squeeze of lime on there is really delicious too. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe for vegan cheese sauce that can be used in so many different ways, and I really hope you enjoy experimenting with flavor. Thanks so much. Have a great day.